So, the next topic which we are going to discuss is the elements of the simple curve. What are the various elements of the simple circular curve? These are the very important elements which are most widely used for the calculation of the numerical problems. First one is I plus theta is equal to 180 degree. ठीक है, I means angle of intersection and theta means angle of deflection, and the combination of these both is 180 degree. Therefore, if we have to calculate the theta, we can calculate it by 180 degree minus I. Next is tangent length. Tangent length is bt1, and bt1 is exactly equal to the bt2. There are two tangent lengths in the simple circular curve. bt1 is equal to bt2, and the formula for calculation of the tangent length is ot1 and tan theta by 2, and this ot1 is nothing but the radius of the curve r. ot1 is r and this is tan theta by 2. So for calculation of tangent length, we need r, radius of curve, and theta. For calculation of theta, you can use this relation I plus theta is equal to 180 degree. Next element of the simple curve is length of long chord. This is denoted by capital L. Length of long chord is equal to 2 times r into sine theta by 2. These are the formulas which you have to keep in mind. Length of long chord is equal to 2r sine theta by 2. Next is length of the curve. Length of the curve. Length of the curve is the this part, circular part. This is length of the curve, and length of long chord is this straight portion. This is capital L and this circular part is small l. So length of the curve L is equal to r into theta in radians. R into theta in radians, and if we have to calculate in degrees, the formula is pi upon 180. रेडियन से हम जब डिग्रीज में कैलकुलेट कन्वर्ट करते हैं तो उसके लिए हम ये रिलेशन यूज करते हैं ना, तो पाई इंटू आर अपॉन 180 रेडियन. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज अपेक्स डिस्टेंस. अपेक्स डिस्टेंस बीई इज इक्वल टू आर इंटू सेक थीटा माइनस 1. These are the five main important elements in the simple circular curve.